Each week, we bring to you a new Sourpuss creativity exercise. I sure hope you can join us for a new and exciting episode from me, Sourpuss. And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Ho-ho!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
That's me! Hello everyone, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. My name is Sauerpuss. Today we are going to do a Valentine's follow-along. And for today's follow-along, we will be creative with hearts. And before we start today's creative exercise, I would like to welcome back my pals, Penny and the Pencils.
Hi,
Penny and her pals are always here
Valentine's
cheering me
Day.
on. So, if you're ready, let's begin.
I'm so excited.
Let's
I just
go.
can't hide it.
And for today's exercise, all you need is some paper and a black marker. I like to use a thin black marker so I can include all kinds of little details. And today's follow-along can be found for free on my website in the printable section. For today's creative exercise, we are going to be creative with heart shapes. So follow along with me and try to guess what I am drawing. I will be using different heart shapes to draw my creation. I will draw this first heart shape upside down, like this. And always remember that you don't need to be perfect when you draw. I like to look at each of my drawings as a creative exercise, and the more I draw, the more I improve my drawing. Maybe these next couple of details will give you more of a clue of what I am drawing. This little creature has me thinking of warmer weather. Have you guessed what I am drawing by now? That's right. It looks like a little bird made out of hearts. What a loving little bird. Now, I'm going to make my little bird have large eyes. I wonder if you can count all the hearts that make up this drawing.
Good drawing.
Why, thank you, Penny. Oh, boy, this Valentine's bird creature was sure fun to draw. We'll see you next time, and remember to be creative!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Ho-ho! Remember to go to our website for our latest activities and downloads, including today's follow-along. Register today for free. Ho-ho!
Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends.